Alright, quick thing before we start. If you're wondering why this voice sounds a little too clean, yeah, it's not my real voice. I recorded myself, listened back, and absolutely hated it. So this is my voice, just upgraded using 11 Labs. Same thoughts, same mistakes, fewer ums. So here's the setup. I'm an international student in the US, which basically means I arrived with a laptop, a dream, and 0 tools. No screwdrivers, no pliers, no backup plan. Naturally, I decided to build my first FPV drone. Buy everything from scratch, I thought I'd save money where it definitely wouldn't matter. The screwdriver. This thing was from AliExpress. It cost like $2, which should have been my first warning. I start tightening a bolt like, yeah, this is easy, and the screwdriver bends. Not the bolt. The screwdriver. I'm staring at it thinking, what the fuck is going on here? Then I start laughing because I trusted a $2 screwdriver with structural integrity. So now I'm using wire cutters to screw in bolts like someone who clearly thought tools are optional. I immediately ordered real tools from Walmart because cheaping out on the one thing that applies torque was a fucking mistake. And then there's soldering. I turn the soldering iron up to 500 degrees and think, okay, now I know what I'm doing. The solder does not stick. At all. I'm sitting there wondering if the solder itself is broken. It was not. The solder was fine. The iron was hot. The pads were clean. I forgot flux. I actually laughed because what else are you supposed to do at that point? So instead of soldering, I was just aggressively heating copper and accomplishing absolutely fuck all. I've ordered flux. It should arrive by Monday. Until then, this drone isn't a drone. It's an expensive metal sculpture judging me from my desk. Now comes the part that actually scared me. If you don't know, a smoke stopper is the thing that saves your electronics when you do something stupid. Guess what I forgot? I connected the battery without the smoke stopper. The second the battery touched the leads, my heart stopped. I just stood there staring at the drone, waiting for smoke, sparks, or one loud pop. I didn't record that moment, which is unfortunate because fear like that deserves documentation. Nothing exploded, nothing smoked. But I aged at least 5 years in about 2 seconds. Smoke stopper first. Always. So far, here's what I've learned. Cheap tools will betray you. Confidence is dangerous. Flux is not optional. Smoke stoppers are not optional either. If you've ever trusted a cheap tool, congratulations. We're the same person. Next episode, I either fix this properly, or I let the smoke out of something expensive. Either way, you'll see it here.